What's up guys, happy hump day. We have this beautiful 2020 BMW M4 in here, getting fully protected in Suntek's premium PPF. Currently we have everything done except for the two bumpers and the roof and the hood. Stay tuned and see the finished product. Now get David doing a segment on this one and slap my face on David's body.
Welcome guys to GP Customs. My name's Cam.
No, you're David.
My name's David.
Carbon fiber, very nice. Look, I'm Madonna.
Have you guys ever heard an exhaust on an electric vehicle? Well, neither have we, but we got the next best thing. This is the BMW i8. It's a hybrid, electric motor in the front, gas motor in the rear. We equipped it with an FI exhaust, top of the line exhaust. This thing sounds fantastic. Hop on in with us, let's go for a ride. So I have the FI exhaust paired with a stage 2 ECU tune from a friend of mine, Alex. It just gives it so many more pops and bangs, and it makes the car just come to life, making all these crazy sounds. I love it. This makes it so much more fun to drive and just obnoxious now, where before it was like really quiet and sleek. But the cool thing is, if I hit this E-Drive button right here, it goes into full electric mode and you don't hear anything. So the car is just super quiet. I have no pops, no noise, and I can drive it like this for up to 15, 20 miles with just not having any noise with the vehicle. But if I want to get kind of loud and obnoxious and have some fun with it, a little bit more horsepower, kick it in sport mode, kicks my exhaust up, and you get all the backfires and the pops. Well, there you go, guys. What did you think of the drive? Leave me some comments down below. You hate it, you love it. It sounds like a lawnmower, sounds like a beefed up four-wheeler. You tell me. I love it. It makes the car so much more fun to drive. And if you guys know anybody with an i8 looking for a tune, give us a call. We know these cars inside and out. We have body kits, exhausts, tunes, Starlight headliner, you name it. Wednesday, our week's going great. We just finished up with this Tesla Model Y. We've done 5 or 6 of these. This one by far is one of the coolest because we did the black Tesla badge on there, but we actually took off the aero caps and painted the factory wheels in satin black. Super unique. Nobody's done it yet. It looks really cool. We also tinted the windows, did of course the back emblems, the dual motor, and we wrapped the center console in black. Customer's on its way. This thing's getting delivered. Let's check out some other projects we got. So we have this 2020 Tesla Model X in the bay that we're fixing just a little bit of a fender bender. The left front fender garnish got messed up. We're gonna replace that. And then of course the bumper got just a little bit of damage right here. We're gonna get that fixed up, make it look brand new. After a wheel touch up, this thing's gonna look fantastic. It's gonna go out the door. It is electric car week here at GP Customs. We got something really cool. You wanna see it? You wanna see it? You wanna see it? Let's take a look. Porsche Taycan Turbo. Now we had this one in the bay before. We had it fully ceramic coated, had the windows done, we had the front clip done in PPF. Now we're doing just a little touch up here and there for the customer. We're gonna do some really cool videos with this, so stay tuned. All right guys, we got our super secret project all done. Took a little while, but hey, perfection takes time. 2005 GMC Sierra truck that got completely redone. All fresh paint, fresh bumpers, fresh lights, fresh everything. Fresh tires, fresh life, fresh truck. And we got Jacob over here doing a wet sand on actually the fender flare. This whole truck's getting wet sanded and buffed so it looks flawless and can get delivered to the customer. This is kind of what we do. Show them. Faster, faster, faster. So you guys get the point. So we're doing this to the whole truck. Makes it look really dull, then we wax it and it makes it look really nice. So one of my favorite cars of all times has always been my Porsche Cayenne diesel. This one's not a diesel, but this is actually a Porsche Cayenne S. I love these cars. They're so comfortable to drive. We just got it done, put some wheels on here. This thing is gonna be so cool when it's all done. A couple little knick-knack things to take care of, a couple check engine lights. We're gonna get this all fixed up and it's gonna be ready for the road. One of the many things we do here at GP Customs is car audio. So we got this Ford Mustang in that we upgraded the door speakers and upgraded the subs. And you know who likes bass, who likes subs? That guy. Guest appearance by Mr. Snipes. He's back. Just kidding, but he is hanging out. We got these two 10-inch subwoofers all done from Rockford Fosgate. Keegan's throwing the whole system in, putting everything back together, making it look like factory, and then it's out the door. All right guys, the leather seats are all done. Turned out fantastic. This is a Catskin two-tone leather seat with graphite and dove gray. These are so comfortable. You gotta try them. Just land these things. Feels like you're floating on a cloud. All right, my drivers, take me. Take me. Shut the door. Oh, never mind. All right, perfect. You guys want seats? Get them here at GP Customs. So the super special product we had come in at the end of this week was the Ferrari 488. We got it all washed up, detailed up. It's ready to go home. But first, the customer wants us to take some really cool pictures and video of it. This is it. Ta-da! Fantastic car. Gotta have a red Ferrari in your garage, right? So thanks for watching the vlog this week. Comment down below what cars you want to see next. See you next time.